All right, guys, we have a very exciting video for you today. So thank you for being with us here on this beautiful day at the Fremont Skateboard Park. So we're here today with Dave, and he's gonna tell you a little bit about the boards that he skates.
Right on. So I ride for Punisher Skateboards. We started off a beginner board company. You know, we branched off. We're making better quality boards now. This is the board I ride.
That's wild, look at this shape.
Yeah, we call it the A-frame, A-series, whatever you want
What's
to call
good
it.
about the shape being like flat on the tail like that?
I just dig it. It doesn't hinder my skating at all. It's just visually, you just got to get used to it, I guess.
Yeah. There's no like technical performance aspect. It's just like something that you visually like.
Yeah, basically. With this angle here, I do get my scoops for tray flips and stuff a little bit more, I guess. It's just easier. It helps me out. I dig it.
And you're coming out of New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Wow.
Punisher's from Pennsylvania. I'm personally from Jersey.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very cool. So what do you got here?
Some of our product here. Got some stickers for everybody. Brought a bunch of stuff for you guys.
This is for you guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna give this away to you guys. So you're gonna give away 2 boards to the hashtag notification squad. Comment what kind of board you ride, hashtag notification squad, and we'll pick 2 winners out of there. And we're gonna send you guys a board. Fully complete board?
Yep.
Wow.
One of the newer designs.
Wow. I thought it was just a deck. No, we're going fully complete board. So you guys want a brand new skateboard? Hashtag notification squad, subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below, and have your notifications turned on. You guys know what to do.
This is where Punisher started.
Oh, wow.
The beginner boards. The trucks were always really good though, I thought, you know.
Yeah.
They just needed a little help with the quality wood and their wheels, and we're on the right track now.
So you helped them out?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Got some shirts. Here's another A-frame graphic. The steampunk.
Look at that shape, so rad.
Bearings. Those are bearings.
Wheels,
for you.
bearings? Oh, you got literally everything.
Yeah, this is what they look like out of that.
Oh. It'll take me all day to open this box.
Punisher trucks.
Nice, nice.
Let's get some shirts in here. More wheels.
Incredible. Well, this is your first time at Fremont Skate Park.
It is. First time in California.
So you never really been out here, and you're gonna play all these guys in a full park game of skate.
I'll do my best, you know.
You're gonna destroy them.
Yeah, right.
Go straight for the throat. Nobody's looking.
Right on.
You guys ready? Game of skate.
Let's get a kickflip on this, Aaron.
All right, I got the Punisher board. The shape is totally different. Look at that. It's pretty wild. He was saying it took him a little bit to get used to it, but he really likes it. It's the kickflip test. You ready? Oh, first try.
Wow.
That's pretty good, no? If we can land a double flip, it's extra double good.
Whoa!
What? Do we?
Tray flip?
I was gonna say triple.
No.
You scared?
I don't want you to hurt yourself.
Hurt myself? Hold my phone. I'm not an old man. I'm a young buck.
That was it.
That was it. Count it. I like the shape. I think it's pretty rad. I think there's a lot of different shaped boards coming out that are really sick. Let's go. All right, guys. No horseplay, no salt, no extreme activity, no staying on any one obstacle too long. I'm gonna be calling all of you out. So go ahead and do the Rochambeau.
Pick me. Question.
Nigel.
So when you say extreme, what do you mean? What are the boundaries?
Just give it your all, and either I'll say it's good or no.
Oh, question.
Yeah.
Question. Thank you for letting me skate.
You're welcome.
That's not a question.
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 Can we start?
Go ahead, Rochambeau.
First, second,
first.
third, fourth, fifth. Anywhere you want to go.
The world is your oyster, as they say in New Jersey, right? Yeah. Take this to the car. That's Boston? I thought that was Jersey. This is why you never play a full park game of skate before you skate at all. First thing in the morning? No. Warm up, please.
Uzi, you're up.
He says, I think I'll hit this, and then taps the handrail. Is he serious? His head. He said he's gonna hit his face on the handrail. Oh! The butt! Oh. How did I do that?
Did your butt hit right?
How?
How many fingers?
I'm not called that.
I like to start off my morning with a big slam, so then the rest of the day can only get better.
I told you! Uzi! I said warm up!
If you were standing
Warm.
next to me, I was like 100% fail.
I heard you, dude.
100% fail.
I'm going to the hip. This is the exact opposite of what Skateboarding Made Simple teaches you. I'm gonna get you a DVD, Uzi, okay?
Are you okay?
Fetty always bringing the heat.
Can you move?
I think. I don't know why I did that.
He tried to pop it, you know? Mistake. I should probably track the letters.
Woo! Yeah, Nigel.
I was coming in and I saw that hole in the ground, just like freaked me out.
Oh.
He said he'd never done that trick before. That was his first attempt. That was a really good first attempt.
Good, yeah. Wow, you literally popped 8 feet off that.
He literally couldn't even move his arms. He said, I'm at about 50% capacity, and then did that. How did he do that?
Back 5-0 the long wedge.
Okay. Oh my god!
Wow, first try.
Ooh.
I don't
Flavor?
think backside is Nigel's flavor.
What is your flavor, Nigel?
Nutella. Get it? I'm Nutella. No? Okay.
Bit of an off morning for the Los. Woo! These poor guys never even been to this park before. They just take straight to the throat.
Yep.
It's okay, Daniel. It's okay. Does it hurt?
It's about 50% pain.
Where does it hurt?
My shoulder blade, I did a can opener, like into a pool, but onto the rail with my shoulder.
Are you sure you want to do this, Nigel?
I've seen some mean things in my day, but that was the meanest low below the belt.
Okay, well, do you think that was too extreme?
It just is what it is.
I mean, you're the one making the rules here, so you got to stand by them.
what's gonna happen at this point?
I'm gonna conquer my fear.
No!
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
You gonna try it?
If Carlos is taking a letter, I think I might have to too.
You guys both gonna take letters?
Hey, I have no shame in doing that.
I know,
My health is
it-
way more
No,
important.
it's,
You got that? You wanna give it a go?
Probably not. I'm terrible at Smith grinds.
Fetty
thinking about it.
says he's not sure yet.
Betty can do it. He just has to work up to it.
Well, you did it before me.
You got to conquer your fear first.
Okay.
You're really gonna do this?
Yes. I'm gonna land it.
I threw up in my mouth a little bit.
If you land this right here, Uzi, we're wiping out all of your letters.
Actually, we will. That's a good deal.
I switched shoes today
Why would you switch shoes today?
because I was wearing Vans that didn't have any padding.
Man, I hate rails.
If we were like 4 videos or something in and he was all warmed up, he would just...
I know, but I'm not warmed up. I skated a car door and then this. Yeah, I'm gonna take the letter.
Fair enough. I need you to stop looking so sad.
I can't see it. Where is it?
You want to see what you look like?
Oh! Oh my god! Darkness!
Oh! Woo! Wow. Wow.
Kick it a flat.
Oh, if he kickflips it, I'll be so happy. Yeah.
Nigel
Hey,
was
I've
going for
been
him.
getting real good at him, so we'll
You're
see how
welcome.
it goes.
You're welcome.
What do you want if you land this?
A hug.
Whoa!
You got this. You got another try.
Oh! Ah, that looked good though. Oh!
I tried my best. I'm in a lot of pain.
What's the pain threshold at now?
It's at like 85%
Oh,
pain.
really? Just go home.
I don't want to.
Nobody skates this hip. No, we don't even go to this.
No,
This
that's
hip doesn't
to the-
even
that's to
really
the depth.
actually exist. Like, who does that? Just to trifle the hip like it's just, well, that isn't a thing. What did I say?
I have backside double flip this.
You have not.
Why do I always mess it up going that way?
I've never seen Nigel pop shove at anything. I'm not sure if he could do it.
Whoa! Nigel, you miss this again, I will punish you.
Ah, I see what you did there.
Ah! Troy, bro, you were killing it.
Bro,
Yeah! Whoa, whoa, oh!
Here to there?
Yeah.
No, he's not
No,
doing
to
that.
this one.
From that one to that one?
Yeah.
No. No.
All right, you're right.
Like I said.
Oh! What are you thinking? You're killing me. The suspense is destroying me.
I'm sorry.
Don't do this. Come on.
I'm sorry. I want to be ruthless, but I don't at the same time.
I'd stick to the 7th stair and avoid the rail.
All right, I'll do the 7th stair.
I'm gonna try a fun one. I'm gonna try to go 50-50 across the whole thing, come back on the other side.
Oh, that's a good one. 50-50 across the whole thing, come down on the other side.
No, he's not.
He's already starting in a terrible position.
Yeah,
No,
what
he's
are you
got it. Go for
thinking?
it. Go for it. You gotta get more speed than that. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
He's gonna ollie into the boob? I don't even know if that's correct. Good. If I would have done that, I would have hit that and just exploded.
I know.
Dead.
Wow.
There he did it.
Yeah, I'm hyped. Oh, whoa, there. Good wake up call, Carlos. Thank you.
Big time.
Exactly what I was thinking and would have done.
And Carlos has been slain.
Well done, mate.
Oh my! Oh,
I thought I was gonna clip him too.
dang it! Good stuff, Eddie. Aw.
Do you feel this? Do you feel this? Feel
You
it.
feel this?
Well, we are really excited to have you. It was awesome. You killed the Braille House. Check out these quick clips of Dave at the Braille House. Woo! All right, well, that was awesome. Thank you so much for coming out.
Yeah, man.
And we're giving away all of this stuff right here. So remember to leave it in the comments below. Hashtag notification squad. Be a subscriber. Have your notifications turned on. Leave it in the comments below. Like this video. And you will be entered to win some or all of this stuff right here. We're definitely giving away the boards to different people. And then we'll pick some different people for some shirts, stickers. We're even going to give Fetty away.
You guys can also go to punisherskateboards.com, get all this gear, order whatever you want. Check it out.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast making it. I hope you had a blast watching it. Check out all the other videos in this playlist. We'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below.